there is update that is currently going on Gate.io, Bitget, and other platform like Telegram this moment that I am making this video. But I'm going to use only two exchanges, which are Gate.io and Telegram. So if you want to do this update, or you want to know about this order, or you want to know how to go about it, just stick to this video and watch it till the end. Don't miss any step, because I want to take it systematically. Okay, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, please do me a favor to subscribe, like and share my video. Please, it's very important to subscribe, because I do drop videos like this on my channel. Like if I see update that is working and I've tested it, I've tried it out, I will just come here and drop it for you guys. At least you should also benefit from it. Even if you don't have money to pay mentorship, or you don't have money to afford a course, you can actually go online without wasting much of your time. Just watch me do this right now. Okay, first of all, if you don't have Get.io, go to your Google Play Store or App Store, depending on the device you are using, and download it. Make sure you register and make sure your account is verified. So after that, what we need to do is to navigate to where you see navigate to your P2P trading. Once you click on P2P trading, click on P2P here. I'm going to be a little bit fast here. So let's say we want to do this arbitrage with 100,000 naira. I know 100,000 naira is affordable to some people, almost to some people actually. Okay, so let's say we want to buy from this first guy. We click on buy. Once you click on buy, you let it be on by amount, because we want to do this with 100,000 naira. Okay, we set 100,000 naira. 100,000 naira is going to give us 61.72 USDT. Okay, let's assume you have gotten it already. So the next step is, so after cutting your 61.72 USDT, you move to where you see trade here. You click on trade. We are going to use, you see where we are seeing NOTCOIN. You see this coin, you some of you know about this coin already. So this is where the arbitrage is. So this is where the arbitrage lies. So you make sure that it is on not coin like this, not okay. Once you it's on not, you come here. Remember we purchased 61.72 USDT with 100,000 naira. Don't forget, we insert, let's say 61.72. Okay, our 61.72 USDT is going to give us 14,107.42 not coin. Okay, so please follow this video, because it is a systematic video. Like it is a step-by-step guide on this arbitrage. Okay, so that you will not make mistake. One thing about arbitrage is you need to focus, do your calculation and analysis, everything. Make sure that everything is accurate, so that once you enter with your real capital, you're not going to lose money. Okay, so after you have gotten your 14,107.42 not coin, okay, what you need to do is you go to your what you need to do is to go to your Telegram. Now this is the time we are going to need Telegram. Okay, so once you are on your Telegram here, please, I want to sound this to you. If your account has not been verified on Telegram, please make sure that your account is verified, your wallet is verified and everything. How do you go about that? Just click on this turn, click on this three dot icon you are seeing here, click on setting. Make sure you can see my identification level is extended, so at least I have passed the basic level, so my account can actually accumulate some certain features. Okay, so once you are here, make sure you click on the extended here. See, if you have not verified your account, it will be on this basics. but I have extended my account to this extent here. So maybe when I have chance, or I will make it, I will upgrade it to this advanced. Okay, but that's just that. Okay, so the main thing here is, once you are here, you click on wallet. You click on wallet, you click on add crypto, you click on external wallet. After that, what we want to do is we are going to send NOTCOIN from gate.io to Telegram wallet. So what you are going to do is to copy this address you are seeing here. This is copy this address. Once you copy the address, you move to your gate.io, click on assets, click on withdraw, and click on not here. You can actually search for it if it's not there on your search bar. Then see the not here, you click on the not, click on on-chain withdrawal. Once you click on on-chain withdrawal, you make sure that it is on the open network, which is turned. Okay, you paste in their address here, you copy from Telegram. If there is a memo, you insert the memo, but in Telegram I just copy the address. There is no memo, you leave it there. That place is optional. You come here, click on the amount you actually want to transfer. We got 14,107. Let's say 14,107.42. So if we are going to send this amount, if we are sending this amount to Telegram, we are going to receive 13,989.75 not, after they must have removed their fees of about 107.67 knots. So what we are going to receive is 13,989.75 knots. Okay, so take note of that. So after we receive this, we head over to our Telegram. That's where you are going to receive it. You go to your Telegram here. So sorry. So on our Telegram, after we receive the note, you come to exchange here. You come to P2P. Sorry, you click on P2P. Just understand that the NOTCOIN is in your Telegram already. Then what you need to do is you are going to sell it. You come to sell here. This is where the real thing comes in. Okay, you can see the price of um NOTCOIN. One NOTCOIN in naira is about 6.91 naira. 6.91 naira. 6.91 naira. It was more than this. I think the price keep changing. Okay, so let's go to gate.io and show you what you need to know. On gate.io, you can see the price of NOTCOIN in naira is 6.6. Can you see the price of NOTCOIN here on gate.io is 6.6 naira? Then coming to Telegram is 6.9. Let me adjust this price to show you what I actually mean. Okay, okay, you can see I have adjusted this price, and if you check down here, if you check below, you will see that the moment I adjust this price to 0.0045, that this place has changed. This naira sign here has changed to 6.9, to show you that 0.0045 USDT is equivalent to 6.90 naira. So assuming we want to sell at that price, since that is the price merchants are buying NOTCOIN on Telegram. Okay, so let's say how many NOTCOIN do we have after the fees and everything? We receive about 13,989.75 0.75. So if we are going to sell this amount of NOTCOIN on Telegram, we are going to receive 62.95 USDT. Remember, we started this arbitrage with 61.72 USDT. Now we have been able to make about 62.95 USDT. So on your Telegram, once on your Telegram, because it's Telegram that you are going to use and sell it on your Telegram, what you just need to do is to just click on sell, put in the amount of not coins you have, you have, you click on continue, and you follow step by step on how to sell your coin. Okay, it's just like it's the same way you sell on normal P2P on any exchange like Binance, Gate.io, Bitgate. Is the same strategy here you use and sell it. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, let's use Gate.io and see how much we would have made. Okay, so after everything, let's say after everything, we have been able to make 62.95 USDT. So let's say you want to sell the 62.95 USDT, we would have been able to make a profit of 1,850 naira. Okay, it's actually a good arbitrage because you can do this unlimitedly. Let's say if you want to do this like 5 times or 10 times in a day, let's say 1,850 times 10 times in a day, 18,500 in a day. It's actually something. Okay, so all what you need to do is every morning wake up, use your phone and explore the market. You can never sit on your own and think you will make the money. It's either you have mentor or someone that is doing it for you to follow, or you stand up by yourself and do it by yourself in order to make money. We are all in this era to survive. Okay, everybody is going to make this money. Just be positive, wake up, find something and do. Just explore the market and you make money. There's no way, at least 5,000 in a day. So if you enjoy this kind of video, please do well to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.